Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix phone guys accessibility setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on power button to end call setting in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to on power button to end call setting. So how to on power button to end call setting in this video we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So friends, open your Infinix mobile accessibility setting. Friends, where is accessibility setting in Infinix mobile? So friends, click here special function. Friends, last friends you can check here accessibility setting. So friends, one tap here and friends scroll it. Friends, you can use select to speak setting, sound notification setting, switch access setting, talkback, act share, mini setting, font size. Friends, you want to change, so you can change from here. Dark theme, magnification, color correction setting. Friends, there are many settings. So friends, scroll it, power button to and call setting here you want to on. So friends, you can use power button to and call setting. So friends, you want to cut any call, so just press power button and guys your call will cut. And once you want to on auto rotate screen guys, you want to rotate your phone screen, so you can rotate your screen after on auto rotate. And friends, you don't want to use power button to end call setting, you can turn off from here. So friends, you cannot cut your call with power button. And friends, you can find your power button to end call setting. Direct friends, click here search option POWER. As you can see, power button setting, power button and call setting. Direct click here, direct friends, you can on your power button to end call from here right side, and you don't want to use. So friends, again click here and friends, you can off power button to end call setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.